Hey everyone, Eric here from Navixy. Today I want to give you an update on one of the most exciting parts of our platform, IoT Logic. Think of it as your no-code engine for turning messy telematics data into clean, real-time intelligence. At its core, IoT Logic takes data from literally any device, GPS trackers, sensors, dashcams, even OEM gateways or legacy hardware, and normalizes it instantly. No custom parsers, no weeks of development. You connect and the data is ready to use. Now, here's where it gets fun. Inside the Flow Builder, you can enrich and manipulate data in real time with Excel-like formulas using JEXL. Simple stuff like converting units or renaming a sensor, but also derived metrics, maybe detecting fuel theft from sudden level drops, or combining GPS and temperature data to prove cold chain compliance, all in a drag and drop interface that ops teams or solution engineers can handle without a developer on standby. This year, we introduced logic nodes and action nodes. And that means your flows don't just pass data, they make decisions and take action. For example, logic node checks if a truck is speeding in a restricted zone. Action node instantly sends a slowdown command, notifies the dispatcher, and pushes a record to compliance. That's closed loop automation built right into the data stream. And because IoT Logic can fan data out in parallel, you can send the same stream to Navixy apps, Data Hub, a client ERP, and a government portal all at once with minimal latency. And we know trust is everything, and that's why we added the Data Stream Analyzer, a live view into what's flowing through each node. You can debug, watch historical values, and prove to clients that every SLA or compliance trigger is firing as designed. So what does this look like in practice? A logistics company catches refrigeration issues before a grocery client ever calls. A hazmat carrier forwards sensor data straight to regulators while still monitoring it internally. A fleet integrator sets up automated device health checks. If a tracker goes offline, IoT Logic creates a ticket and notifies support. That's the practical side, but let's zoom out. Telematics is becoming the backbone of AI-driven operations. IoT feeds data and data feeds AI. With IoT Logic, you're not just collecting, you're preparing your streams for advanced analytics, machine learning, predictive maintenance, even generative models that spot patterns across entire fleets. We're evolving IoT Logic fast because the industry is demanding custom, scalable solutions delivered now, not 6 months from now. If you're building at scale or tackling unique workflows that used to take endless custom code, give IoT Logic a look. It's here to make your telematics data smarter, faster, and ready for the AI era.